What's up, Pinkies? Welcome to the Pinky Girl. And today I will be building a dog park. Let's go. We're gonna build. I have the dog park pack over here. We're gonna change it to pink. You can put it to the side. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. But first, we need to say hello to the people watching. Hi, everyone's Toy Club. I made you in my avatar world here. Now we're gonna add this doggy with a paw. Okay. She's holding a little treat and there's a white paw over here. Hi, Toka Lily. I was in your live stream. Since I was in Toka Lily's live stream, she came to my live stream. Haha. Woo. This is the puppy bulletin board. Okay. There we go. I'll add some posters of dogs. Hello, Toka Gohar. Hi, Fluffy. Okay, here's a puppy fountain. We're gonna add a little flowers. And we're going to add a plant. Hello, pink person. Hello, the Darrets. How are you? I'm good. How about you? Oh, you're great. Hi, Lily Mika-chan. I'm so happy that you're here because in that one live stream last Saturday, me and Lily Mika-chan started to get along with each other. Okay, this is where the dogs will go. It's very cute and I love it. Oh my goodness. Hi again, Toka, Lily. I'm very happy to see you here. Where's your little sister Mia? She is the best little sister you have. Okay, we're going to add. Okay, now this lamp. Where will we put it? Oh, I think over here. It would be better to put it right over there. Let's walk around. Everyone's Toy Club. Is there really a glitch with the dog? Okay, let me see. They just do nothing? Oh no, they can't cry. They can't exclaim. How about this? Does it help? Does it help make the emotions? Oh no! It's still not working. It's still okay. Okay, I respawned the character. Our doggy character. And now our doggy friend can now cheer. Yay! Are there other stuff in the dog park? Let's add the dog park furniture. Let me see. Ooh, there's some paws. Okay, I'm gonna add this over here. I love it. I'm gonna change it into pink. And I'm going to add these too. I love this design. Here's a little puppy kit, where there's a lot of toys for the puppies to play with. Okay. How about we're going to add this thingy? I don't know what is that. Can someone please tell me? Hi, Toka Gohar. I love your ASMR, Toka Gohar. I'm your biggest fan. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I love it here. Here's some treats for the dogs. Treats for the dogs. I love it. I love the treats for the little dogs so that they can eat. Let me add a little this thingy. Let me add this thingy. I love it. So super cute. Okay, this is our result. Okay guys, this is all for today. I hope you love it. Please like and subscribe. Bye, Pinkies!